Did you know some drivers have cars that run for over 500,000 miles without any major repairs? Sounds crazy, right? But it's totally possible if you follow the right habits. Most people destroy their car without even knowing it. But today, I'll show you exactly how to avoid that. In this video, I'll break down 40 habits that can literally double or triple your car's life. And some of these are so simple, you can start doing them today. You'll want to stick around because the habit at number 17 is something 99% of drivers ignore, and it quietly kills your engine over time. Habit number 1. Warm up your engine before driving hard. You don't have to idle for 10 minutes, but give your engine a minute or two to warm up before flooring it. Cold oil doesn't protect your engine the same way warm oil does. Habit number 2. Change your oil on time, every time. Sounds basic, but skipping even one oil change can shorten your engine's life. Stick to the interval recommended in your owner's manual, not what some random mechanic tells you. Habit number 3. Use the right oil, not just any oil. Not all oils are created equal. Always use the oil grade and type recommended by your car's manufacturer. Using the wrong oil can cause slow damage over time, and you won't notice it until it's too late. Habit number 4. Check your tire pressure monthly. Driving with low tire pressure puts extra stress on your suspension, steering, and even your engine. Plus, it wastes fuel. Just get a cheap tire pressure gauge and check all 4 tires once a month. Habit number 5. Don't ride your brakes. This is a silent killer. Constant braking wears out pads, rotors, and can even lead to overheating in your brake system. Keep a safe distance and try to coast more. Habit number 6. Use your parking brake, even on flat roads. Using your parking brake actually takes pressure off your transmission. If you always rely on park only, especially on inclines, you're slowly damaging your transmission lock. Habit number 7. Wash your car, even in winter. Salt, dirt, and grime don't just make your car look bad. They eat away at metal parts, suspension components, and brake lines. A simple wash can save you thousands later on. Habit number 8. Replace your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. A dirty air filter means your engine can't breathe properly. And when your engine can't breathe, it works harder, which shortens its life. Habit number 9. Don't ignore warning lights. That check engine light, it's not just there for fun. Even if your car still feels fine, that light could be catching a small issue before it turns into a big one. Habit number 10. Keep your fuel tank at least 1/4 full. Running your car close to empty all the time isn't just risky, it also pulls debris and junk into your fuel pump, which can clog it up and destroy it over time. But here's where it gets even crazier. Habit number 11. Don't skip transmission fluid changes. Most people never change their transmission fluid, ever. And then they wonder why their transmission fails at 120,000 miles. If your car has a serviceable transmission, change the fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your car. Habit number 12. Use cruise control on long drives. This helps maintain consistent engine load and fuel usage, which reduces wear on engine components over time, especially on highways. Habit 13. Avoid potholes like your life depends on it, because your car's suspension definitely does. Hitting potholes can damage shocks, struts, and even throw your alignment off, which leads to uneven tire wear and more fuel use. Habit number 14. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Even tire wear means better fuel economy, smoother handling, and less strain on your suspension. Most people forget this one, but it makes a big difference. Habit number 15. Use good quality fuel, not just the cheapest one. That gas that's 10 cents cheaper? Sometimes it contains more ethanol or lower quality detergents, which can clog fuel injectors or cause poor combustion over time. Habit number 16. Listen to your car, literally. That weird clicking noise or a soft whine? Don't ignore those sounds. They're your car's way of saying, hey, something's wrong. Habit 17. Don't drive like a race car driver. Aggressive driving, fast acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed cornering destroys your car from the inside out. Smooth, steady driving can add years to your car's life. Habit number 18. Flush your coolant every 2 to 3 years. Coolant doesn't last forever. Old coolant can corrode your engine, radiator, and even damage head gaskets. Flushing it regularly keeps things running cool and clean. Habit number 19. Don't overload your car. Carrying a bunch of unnecessary stuff adds weight, which makes your engine, brakes, and suspension work harder. Clean out that trunk. You're not a moving company. Habit number 20. Use the right mechanic and build a relationship. This one's huge. A good, honest mechanic can spot small issues early, and they'll care about keeping your car alive, not just making a quick buck. Stick to one shop you trust and don't jump around. Habit number 21. Let your turbo cool down. If you drive a car with a turbocharger and you shut it off right after driving hard, that turbo doesn't get a chance to cool properly. Over time, that can fry your oil and ruin your turbo. Let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds before turning it off. Habit number 22. Keep your engine bay clean. You don't have to make it look brand new, but a quick clean every few months helps you spot leaks, wear, or cracks early, before they become major problems. Habit number 23. Protect your dashboard from sun damage. Use a windshield sunshade or park in the shade. UV rays bake your interior, crack your dash, and dry out components like your steering wheel and vents. All those little cracks add up. Habit number 24. Don't use your car as a storage unit. Extra weight means more stress on your engine, suspension, and tires. If you've got 50 pounds of junk in the trunk, time to clean it out. Habit number 25. Fix small issues immediately. Hear a squeal? Notice a fluid drip? Don't wait. A tiny $30 issue now could become a $2,000 repair later. Cars don't fix themselves. They just get worse. Habit number 26. Replace windshield wipers every 6 to 12 months. Bad wipers can scratch your windshield or reduce visibility during heavy rain. That's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Habit number 27. Keep your car covered. Whether it's in a garage or under a car cover, keeping your car protected from the elements means less rust, less fading, and fewer electrical issues over time. Habit number 28. Don't rest your hand on the gear shifter. Manual cars. That slight pressure actually puts constant force on the shift fork inside your transmission, wearing it out way faster than it should. Habit number 29. Check alignment once a year. Poor alignment causes uneven tire wear and makes your car handle worse. You might not feel it right away, but your tires and suspension do. Habit number 30. Don't skip cabin air filter changes. You breathe that air. A clogged cabin filter means less airflow, strain on your blower motor, and possibly breathing in junk you don't want. Habit number 31. Use your AC regularly, even in winter. Running the AC keeps the seals and compressor lubricated. If you never use it, it might seize up when you finally need it. Habit number 32. Flush your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can lead to rust in the lines and soft braking. A flush keeps everything sharp and responsive. Habit number 33. Keep your cooling fan in check. If your radiator fan isn't working right, your car could overheat in traffic, even if everything else seems fine. And here's the kicker, you might not know it until it's too late. Habit number 34. Drive your car regularly. Letting a car sit for long periods is worse than driving it every day. Seals dry up, batteries die, and fluids get stale. Try to drive at least once a week. Habit number 35. Don't top off your fuel tank after the pump clicks. That extra bit of gas can overflow into your evaporative emission system, which is expensive to fix and can cause engine issues. Habit number 36. Use rubber floor mats. They protect your carpet from water, salt, and dirt, which can lead to rust in the floorboards over time, especially if you live somewhere with snow or rain. Habit number 37. Replace old or cracked hoses. Hoses wear out from the inside and can burst without warning. Check them when you do oil changes, especially for bulges, cracks, or soft spots. Habit number 38. Never ignore strange smells. Burning oil, sweet coolant, rotten egg smell. These are all early warning signs your car is trying to give you. Don't ignore them. Habit number 39, keep a maintenance log. This helps you track services, catch missed intervals, and even boost resale value when it's time to sell. You'd be shocked how many people have no idea what's been done to their car. Habit number 40, use OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts. Cheap parts save money today, but they can fail early and damage other components. Stick to trusted brands or original manufacturer parts whenever possible. You don't need a fancy car, you just need to treat the one you have like it matters. So which one of these habits are you already doing, and which one are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments.